inch in the hair that I have installed in my head is the Yummy Extensions Raw Cambodian Natural Wave. Y'all, I'll be tied up trying to say that. Hey guys, Antonette Shay, welcome back to my channel. Over here I like to talk about all things girly, hair, beauty, fashion, and everything related to womanhood. Let's just jump right into the video. I got some new bundles, y'all, and it's from no other than Yummy Hair Extension. I did pick up some Yummy Extensions bundles from their previous sale. I did not tell you guys which ones I picked up, but I'm gonna go ahead and reveal that today. So as you can see, we have the goodies over here. I'm gonna just jump right into it and show it to you guys. It didn't get delivered in this bag, but I did have this bag from something previous, so I decided to just throw it in here. But here's the bundles. It's in here, okay? Let's see what we got. We got 1, we got 2, and we got 3. We got 3 new satin bonnets, okay? I did a poll and I asked you guys if I should pick up clip-in hair extensions or more Yummy Extensions Cambodian Wavy Elegance, I think, 2.0. I didn't listen to y'all. I picked up something totally different, and this hair I've had a long time ago. I got rid of it and I never bought some new bundles, so here we go. I did pick up, I'm gonna open one. I think the tag is still on it, so I can show y'all. She's so pretty. She's like swirled up, but I don't know if y'all can see, but I picked up the Raw LAO Wavy. I picked up one bundle of 18-inch, which is this one right here. Like, and the luster is gorgeous. Granted, I do have the light on, but even with the light hitting it, like, look at the luster. And she's full from root to tips. So I picked up one 18-inch, but today there's actually a sale going on still, so I picked up another 18-inch. Because I bought an 18 and 2 bundles of 20-inch. I'll take out the other 2 bundles so you can see what they look like all together. This is the Raw LAO 20-inch. And I'm hiding my nails because I have a nail appointment this week. I was gonna put on press-ons, but I'm like, I'm just gonna wait. But this is the 20-inch. And I'm gonna hold the 18 and 20-inch side by side before I hold them all together. So this is what an 18 looks like. This is the 18 and this is the 20. This is what they look like side by side. So I'm so excited. Hold on. And then here is the third bundle, which is another 20-inch. I'm like, did I say 22? That's 20. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the 20 inches next to each other. So this is what 2 bundles of 20-inch will look like. This is what it all looks like. So it is pretty full. This is all 3 bundles, y'all. So I do feel like for like an 18, 20, 20-inch kind of look, you're good with 3 bundles. I got another one because I like my hair real full, especially when I cut the layers. And I like my curls to be like voluminous. This is only 3 bundles in my hair. This is actually the Yummy Hair Extensions Raw Cambodian Natural Wave. I always have like such a hard time saying curly wave, wavy up, because I don't want to confuse them. But this is 3 bundles of the Raw Cambodian Natural Wave, 24 inches that I did trim. I did take some off of the ends and I did put some layers in. I really want one more bundle so bad, but she's cute. Back to the Raw LAO Wavy. So in comparison to when I bought this hair years ago, a few years ago, it still feels the same. I was actually really worried that it was going to be a little bit different, or I don't know, but this hair feels exactly the same as the Raw LAO Wavy that I purchased. I think I purchased it originally back in like 2000 and it wasn't 2020, maybe 2019, 2018, around there. But this hair is gorgeous. It's full from root to tip. I'm not getting any shedding as I run my hands through it, which is a really good sign. Also, the hair has like their signature scent. Like Yummy has this scent when you get your bundles, like they smell almost like a candy. And then I didn't cut anything open yet, but the wefts look really good. I don't know if the light is, the wefts look pretty good. I'm not going to unravel it yet because I plan to wait until I get it installed. And yeah, maintenance and what I like to use on my Yummy Hair Extensions, I do believe they have Tresemme noted, but I like to use whatever I wash my hair with. So I wash my hair with pretty like good products, high-end products. I use Moroccan oil, shampoo, and conditioner. in my hair, as well as like the Amika system. So I feel like you can use that on this hair. I've used it in the past when I've washed my sew-in. Like I was going to use one shampoo for this and then a different shampoo for my hair. And I also feel like this is raw hair, so you want to take really good care of it and treat it as if it's your hair. I've even put olaplex on this hair before, okay y'all? Not that they say you need to, but I had a little bit, and I think Peyton Marie Charles had mentioned it in one of her videos, so I tried it. I was like, well, I had a little bit left over, so I just went ahead and did it. And it made the hair feel really nice. The Raw LAO Wavy is higher in luster. This hair is not coarse as the raw Cambodian hair. The LAO Wavy is a little more silkier in my opinion. Well, it says it on the site too, but it is a little bit more silkier. I can still blend my hair, my leave out with this hair. I'm not going to put a closure or anything like that. But yeah, this is really more so not even a detailed review or anything. This is just more so unboxing of my Raw LAO Wavy Yummy Hair Extensions and my first impressions. And I really am, like, I'm really pleased with how this came out. And I really did not need the 4th bundle, but I just felt like I'm probably going to need a 4th bundle because the wefts were, when I previously bought them a few years ago, the wefts were like typically really short. But you guys, this hair looks so good. I can't wait. And it does come in like a natural brown kind of color. So yeah, I also have something else from Yummy Extensions that I want to show you guys, so hold on. This is the Kosa Professionals Titanium 5-in-1 Curling Wand set that I have. This, I use this to curl my hair, and when I tell y'all it's so worth the money, like I've always used titanium products because I feel like titanium heats up better, and it gets, you know, titanium heats up better, it gets my hair curls faster or straighten faster, whatever. I have a is it Chi? I have a Babyliss titanium flat iron, and that one is like chef's kiss, best thing hands down. But I have been using this, but this is what the set looks like when you get it. So this is the one, I'm trying to see if I can take it out, the powered curling wand tool, and it says Kosa on it. My only thing that I don't like about it is the prongs. I feel like to pull the pieces off, you gotta really kind of like tug at it, so I'm not really that excited about that. But the one I've been using the most is this one, which it has like the clamp on it. I'm used to hand curling my hair, so I'm not that used to using like all the wands. I'm not really too used to wrapping my hair with, you know, like with the curling wands just yet. But I use this one, and y'all, when I'm telling you, as soon as you curl your hair, you don't even need to hold it. You could just let it go. I turned it up to the highest heat. The hair don't melt because it's raw hair, period. Then you have this barrel. I just want to show you guys what all the barrels look like in case you're interested in purchasing. So this barrel is kind of like, I don't know if you can tell. Maybe if I move if you can see, it's kind of like an oval. So this part is wider and this part is flat. So you get kind of like that. There, maybe you can see. So you get kind of like a curly, like wanded, there you go. Maybe this way you see. So I feel like with this one, you get like that spirally kind of curl, but it's bigger, it's like wider. Then it also comes with this one, which is wider towards the base, and then it narrows out. Almost, this kind of reminds me of those like homemade ice pop maker thingies. So now hold it this way so you guys can see what I mean. Then this one is just a regular round one, which is kind of like, if it had a clamp on it, it would just be for a smaller curl. It's kind of like, reminds me of, I want to say like maybe 1 inch or 1/2 inch. I'm not sure if it's really listed, but this is just a regular round one. And then here's the last one. This one is more like the traditional wand, where it's like completely circular, and it's a little wider at the base, but it's not as small. So this is everything from my Yummy Extensions pickups. If you're interested in the hair curling tools, then I definitely recommend the Kosa Professionals. No, I'm not paid to say this. I just actually really like it. I've been using it a lot, okay? Extensions, the latest pickup that I have is the Raw LAO Wavy. 2 bundles of 20 inch, 1 bundle of 18 inch. And the hair that I have installed on my head is the Yummy Extensions Raw Cambodian Natural Wave. Y'all, I'll be tied up trying to say that. But anyway, if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.